Here is just a view of our main campus in Bubendorf. But the company started off in 1971, over 40 years ago, on the second floor of a sawmill. And Peter Grog, the founder, would carry the solvents up the stairs and make small quantities of amino acid derivatives and peptides. And he became very successful at what he did. We are now the world's largest independent peptide manufacturer and have been on the Swiss Stock Exchange since 1998. We have 6 production locations, 3 of which are making APIs, 1 in the US and 2 in Switzerland, 1 in the German part and 1 in the French part of Switzerland. Our sales in 2011 were 146 million. This year we will be over 150 million. We're on target to achieve our growth objectives, which are aggregated growth between 6 and 10% per annum. We have 650 employees worldwide. Here's a quick overview of the structure of the group. There are, as I said, Bachem AG in Bubendorf, Switzerland, near Basel. And behind Montreux in the Valais, we have also a plant that has 8,000-liter reactors. Those are the largest reactors of the group, where we also make small molecule generics. In the United States, our Center of Excellence for Peptide APIs is in Los Angeles, in the city of Torrance. In Philadelphia, we now have a distribution center. That was actually our first site in the United States. It's just outside of Philadelphia and King of Prussia. And our Center of Excellence for Immunology Products is located in San Francisco. In Europe, we also have a distribution services system that basically sends products to all European locations. And out of there, we manage our fill-finish services as well. We provide fill-finish peptides for clinical trials up to phase 2 for our customers that are interested in this. Our Centers of Excellence for Custom Synthesis is in the UK. Our business model is 4-pronged. First, we start with our catalog products. We have a catalog with over 9,000 products that we make, actually. They are usually building blocks for peptide chemists, as well as a lot of bioactive peptides. And we provide services to optimize lead compounds to pharmaceutical companies. That's our custom synthesis business. And many of those become lead compounds into the clinic. We help our customers develop their products all the way through to approval. And once products become generic, we also continue to supply that market. Our customers are today, by and large, pharmaceutical and biotech companies. And our sales are 82% APIs and 18% research reagents. It used to be almost entirely research reagents, but we've completely evolved from that model over the years as more and more peptides became drugs. So you can see that 66% of our customers are large pharma clients, 15% biotechs, and then we do some work through distributors, and that really amounts to the largest percentage of our overall customers. As I mentioned, our catalog is still a very important feature for Bachem. Many people get acquainted when they're in university with our offers, and we have a very clear dedication to quality work. So our products are very usable for peptide chemists and as well as for people doing biomedical research. There are a lot of individual pack sizes that we need to carry from stock. Our products are from stock usually, and we have a very good distribution network that we build up so that our products can be made accessible throughout the world. Bachem is blessed with having the largest pipeline of projects that are ready to enter the clinic or are in clinical trials. That we had about over 170 projects like that. In the recent years, we're seeing more and more approvals, which constitute the basis for our optimism that we will indeed grow strongly going forward. Peptides are especially used in oncology and for metabolic disease treatments. We see a lot of those in the clinic, and also some of those are now becoming generic. If you look at the products that we offer, here is just a small sampling of our generic APIs. You will see on this list that there are some small molecules as well, like carbidopa or propofol. Actually, we are the world's largest supplier of propofol, and it's made in Switzerland. So not everything has to be made in India or China. If you're interested actually in further details about our generic APIs, please visit our booth. It's right behind you, and we'll gladly give you our latest brochure, and you can talk to any of our representatives there to find out more about what we could do for you. Clin Alpha is the latest feature that we've added to our service offering, and that is making fill-finish products for clinical trials. A lot of small biotechs especially don't have the fill-finish capability in-house and are very happy to collaborate with us so that we can, for instance, make their APIs, conjugate a peptide to a protein, and then you fill-finish it at the end. What we've also started to promote recently, and we've been working on a lot of these toxins, are Melusine peptide and protein libraries. Those tend to be very, very successful when you're looking for a lead. They go on ion channels, they're ion channel blockers, and then it's possible once you have a lead to work through custom synthesis at taking away all the undesired features of the product and accentuating the positives. Quite a few of those products then go successfully through clinical development and end up on the market. So now to our technologies. We also provide the capability for our clients to have their highly potent active pharmaceutical ingredients manufactured at Bachem in our Vionnaz site in this French part of Switzerland. And we can do chiral syntheses, enzymatic reactions, electrochemistry as well, high pressure reactions, conjugates with peptides and the like. For the peptide side of things, we've now have solid phase reactors that we basically engineered that are up to 800 liters in size. And we have 800-liter filter dryers, reactors up to 8,000 liters that we work through, and now added to 24-inch preparative HPLC capabilities. One of the things that we're famous for is our counter-current distribution systems, and with those we can purify very efficiently small molecules, small peptides, sorry. Very important, and it has evolved a lot over the years, is our analytical support, and the expertise that we bring to the table in this area is second to none. We've been making a lot of peptide vaccines, for instance, mixed peptide vaccines, 8 or 9 different peptides. You have to validate the analytical tools for each one. You have to also be able to then separate all of the different peptides in one go and show that you got rid of all the impurities that you need to rid yourself of. So it gets very complex. Our experience in this matter is second to none. In terms of regulatory affairs, we have filed many EDMFs and DMFs, and also have certificates of suitability for our generics. But the pride and joy also of our company is our dedicated project management team that works hand in hand with our customers to coordinate all activities between the inside and the outside so that our customers' expectations are continuously met and that the dialogue and communication never ceases to take place at a very high level. Without that, I don't think we could have as many dedicated, large-scale pharmaceutical and biotech companies wanting to work with us. Of course, customized project management belongs to the mix. We assure ourselves that we understand exactly what the customer wants, when they want it, and make sure that we stay on track. That's what has led to many sustainable long-term partnerships, and we have quite a few customer testimonials to show for our work. We intend to be here for the long haul. Our major shareholder takes a long-term view, and I think in this business this is crucial because from phase one all the way to commercial, it takes an awfully long time, and then the drug stays on the market, hopefully for a very long time behind that. And it's critical for our customers to know that we will be around for them. And with that, I'd like to thank you for your attention and invite you to visit our booth right behind us and talk to our representative. Thank you very much.